My name is Karie Johnson. Some of you know me as Miss Karie. I'm here on behalf of the Coulee Region Farm to School program. Farm to School gives kids access to fresh, locally grown foods. Kids win, farmers win, and community wins. I have a few clues about our next Harvest of the Month vegetable.
Why couldn't the radish finish the race?
It was just little beets.
Yeah! Good job! Woo!
I can plant radishes in my garden and they grow really fast. I can find radishes at my farmer's market or all year round at the grocery store. Not all radishes are red. They come in different sizes, shapes, and flavors. Next time you're at the market, try a different kind of radish, like daikon or watermelon. Today I'm going to make a creamy dip for my radishes. First, I'll wash my hands. We'll need plain yogurt, garlic powder, minced onion, dried parsley, dill weed, and some salt and pepper. And give it a stir. Whether you eat them raw or roasted, radishes pack a punch. They might be small, but they sure have a mighty taste.
That was good.
So if you're feeling brave, try a crunchy radish. See you next time.